Happy birthday, Glory! I love you! Pareho tayo ng birthday!
Hi Ate Glo! Happy birthday! Si Ate Glo para yung isang Pringles. Once you pop, you cannot stop. Kasi si Ate Glo, ang sarap niyang kausap. Ang dami niyang sasabihin sa'yo. Parang walang katapusan pa pinag-uusapan. Kaya naman gustong-gusto siya kausap.
Para sa akin, si Gloria ay isa sa the best kong pamangkin. Pero batiin muna kita ng happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo. How old na ba? Meron ba tayong kainan? Basta i-text mo na lang ako, ha?
Happy birthday, Glo! Napakabait mong kapatid, lalo na ikaw ang panganay. Tinutulungan mo silang lahat. Napangaralan. Sana ipagpatuloy mo yan. God bless you.
I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, Glory. Happy birthday. Forever young ka, Glory. Bata, matanda ka pero mukhang bata. Glo, you're like a cactus. You're all over the place. You're a healer. Pero matinid. Kasi kahit saan ka ilagay, mabubuhay ka. Kahit nga walang pera, like walang ulan, nabubuhay ka pa rin. You're versatile. Pinalaki mo lahat kami. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Glo, happy birthday sa April 4. Para sa akin, ikaw ay isang pato. Kasi hindi ka nauubusan ng kwento. Hindi ka talaga nauubusan ng kwento, kaya masarap kang kasama. At alam namin na kahit na hindi tayo nagkikita lagi, ikaw ay isang mapagmahal na pinsan, kamag-anak. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Glo! Happy birthday, Ate Glo! Para sa akin, si Ate Glo ay parang makayain. Pero rock siya. Makayain dahil mabagal siya. Pero kapag sumayaw, ang galing. Sobra.
Happy birthday, Tita Glo. For me, si Tita Glo ay isang security guard kasi minimake sure niya na lahat is nakauwi na ng bahay. And siya talaga yung tagabantay ng makauwi na lahat. And ine-ensure niya na nakalock lahat ng gate, lahat ng pinto, nakapatay yung ilaw, and all. So, ayan.
Happy birthday, Tita Glo! Para sa amin, para kang video, you always find ways. Woo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Glo. Good health. Ingat lagi. Miss you na. Miss you all. Sana makapunta kami dyan. Pag hanap ng timing na makabakasyon. Pero sa ngayon, parang malabo pa. Pero God's willing, makapasyal kami dyan, ate. Namiss ko na kayo lahat dyan. You're my idol, mama. Idol talaga kita. Kasi single parent ka. Tapos, napalaki mo silang tatlo na mga mababait. Di lang gwapo, respectful, God-fearing. Idol talaga kita sa pagpalaki sa kanila, sa mga alaga ko. Ako single parent na rin. Pero lumalaban. Sana, ate, ingat ka lagi. Love ka namin ni Aiken. Love ko kayong lahat. Miss you all. Salamat kasi ang bait mo sa amin, kay Aiken. Parang family na yung tuloy mo sa akin, kay Aiken. Diyan kami. Salamat, ate. Salamat sa inyo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Glo. More birthdays, more blessings, and more candles to blow po. And sana po mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan. And may God bless you always po, to you and to your family. Happy birthday!
Stay young. Happy birthday,
Happy
Ate Glo. Miss you. Bye. Miss you all.
Hi Ate Glo, I want to let you know that you're like a clown dahil palagi mo kaming pinapatawa. Although sometimes ka-supervisor kasi parang binabantayan mo ang bawat kilos namin. Joke only. Ang totoo para kang ATM kasi kapag lumalapit kami sa table mo on payday, you always give us money, di ba? Flower kasi you're beautiful.
Hi, Tita Glo. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. More blessings to come. Always stay healthy and God bless you more. Missed you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Glo. Good health. More blessed happy birthday to come. I love you. Ang masasabi ko lang, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga naitulong mo sa iyong care. Lalo na nung nare-reminisce ko nung ay accountant ka pa sa Victory. Every lunch nag-share ako sinishare mo ako sa lunch mo at pag uwi sabay pa tayo, nililibre mo ako sa pamasahe dahil alam mong kulang ako sa budget. And then, isa pang naalala ko, nang kukuha na ako ng passport ko, dahil may new passport, dahil pupunta ako ng Cambodia. Sinamahan mo ko hanggang sa matapos, sa pagpila, nag-effort ka hanggang matapos. At nung nakuha ko yung aking passport, takbo tayo sa SM Bacoor. Nakapag-book ako sa Cebu Pacific. At naiyak ako, nag-iyakan tayo, nagyakapan. At sa wakas nakuha ko yung passport ko. Every time na kailangan ko ang tulong mo, you care for me. At nagpapasalamat ako, maraming salamat, Glo. At I love you.
Hi Glo! It's your natal day once again. I want you to have an amazing day. Spending your day with your loved ones. You reach your age as a reward from heaven. I know you've been a cool friend. We always have something to talk about when I'm with you. Of course, it's a good stuff. You're always around me when I needed you. I thank God that you're a friend that plays around me, a sister in faith indeed. I thank you for a moment of shared joy, a gesture of kindness, for the word of encouragement. May God bless you and your family. Have a fantastic birthday.
Hi, Mommy Glo. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, peace, and happiness. God bless you more. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Glo, happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat ako sa friendship natin, that through these years, magkakasama pa rin tayo, kasama pa din kita. Salamat dahil ikaw ay isang klase ng kaibigan na makwento, hindi na uubusan ng mga sasabihin, mga comments, mga bagay-bagay na kaya nga madalas ikaw ang gusto kong kasama kasi kung ako lang, sabi ko tulad nga ng sabi mo, namimili ako ng kausap, pero hindi naman yun totoo. Talaga lang hindi ako makwentong katulad mo. Kaya sobra ko na-appreciate yung ganong klase ng kasama na walang dull moment dahil hindi na uubusan ng sasabihin, hindi na uubusan na ikikwento. Ang prayer ko lang sa iyo, my friend, ay may God continuously to bless you with good health, na more years to celebrate your birthday, and that God will see you through. Alam mo naman na tayo ay nasa 70s na, but God will always be there for us na hindi tayo kailangan mag-worry. Kaya I just pray and wish you a merry, happy birthday. Thank you Thank you sa lahat ng friendship natin, sa lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin through the years. Happy birthday, Glory!
Well, hello. Hi, Gloria. Happy birthday. And it's springtime. So the season is also marked by the blooming of flowers, plants, and trees. So, which is a sight to behold. I'm glad you're still around, just like me. You're still around. Enjoy life as it comes. You will learn to adjust and appreciate people. And also, I want to say thank you for being there when my family needed you. I could never repay you for your generosity and your kindness. I hope your children, well, I'm sure your children will love you forever and cherish you and always be there for you. Again, from the bottom of my heart, an old cliche, happy birthday. And may you have the best one of each year and live longer, healthy, of course. Again, happy birthday, Gloria. Have the best. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Glo!
Birthday, Ate Glo!
Woohoo! 72nd! Come on! Para sa akin, si Ate Glo ay isang magaling na nanay. Naalala ko pa nung nag-handle nung finance natin sa Imus. Yung parang may bulsa sa balat at kayang mapagkasya at mapag-make both ends meet at very faithful at dependable pagdating sa pag-handle at trustworthy sa pag-handle ng finances ng local church. Amazing!
Para sa akin, si Ate Glo ay joy. Masaya siya kasama. She's a faithful friend. She's always encouraging. And alam mo na mahal ka niya at mahal na mahal ka din namin. Ate Glo, we miss you!
Ate Glo, palakas ka ha. Mahabang buhay.
Yes.
Maligayang buhay. Pagpalain ka lalo ni Lord at ang iyong buong pamilya. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Glo! Para sa amin, ikaw ay isang clown kasi lagi mo kaming pinapatawa. Yahoo! Happy birthday, Tita Glo!
Para sa aming Team DC, ikaw ay isang gasolina. Kasi lagi kang nagmamahal. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Glo! Si Tita Glo para sa amin ay
G. Grabe sa bait. Akala nung iba parang mataray, hindi namamansin, pero pag kilala mo na siya, sobrang mabait. L. Lambing. Actually, si Tita Glo malambing. Pag kaibigan mo siya, naku, maraming mga request yan. Simple lang yan mag-request, kaya mahihiya kang magsabi ng no. O. Awesome. Tita Glo, have a great day. We miss you. We love you. Have a blast. God bless you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Glo! Para sa akin, si Tita Glo, nag-set siya ng good example pagdating sa how to manage yung finances ng church. Yun. Also, para sa akin, si Tita Glo, isa siyang mabuting mama at isa siyang mabuting lola. From the stories I heard from my mama, nakikita ko na talagang si Tita Glo, sobra yung dedication niya sa pagiging mama niya at sa pagiging lola niya kay Haru. Ayun. So, yun lang. Happy birthday, Tita Glo, and God bless you always. The Lord give you a long life, satisfied life.
Hello, Tita Glo. Happy birthday. Agree ako dun sa sinabi ni Jenny that you're a good mother, and experiencing namin yun as an extension na training po kami, mga pastors and staff like your own children as you stewarded the finances of the church. Yung mindset mo was like a mindset of a mother, taking good care of the finances entrusted. And nakinabang yung church, na-bless yung church. And of course, that's because you were a good steward and a good mother. So, happy birthday. I hope that you will continue to be blessed by God, and that you will continue to have a long and satisfied life. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Birthday Ate Glo, para sa akin si Ate Glo ay parang security guard. Kasi ang galing niya mag-secure ng mga pera namin noon sa church. Happy birthday Ate Glo!
Happy birthday, Ate Glo! Para sa akin, si Ate Glo ay isa siyang insurance. Naka-insured ang life mo sa kanya kasi nakatago na lahat ang mga pera para sa future namin. Thank you, Ate Glo, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Glo. We wish you with our family, Benji, Arvin, and Pam, a happy birthday on your celebration with family, friends, and dear relatives. Ate Glo, you are a co-laborer in Christ and also a dear friend sa amin ni Benji during the times that nagsaserve kami dyan sa Victory Imus. Alam mo, yung mga, marami kang kayamanan, tinatago, grabe, sobrang yung good stewardship, and paano ka binibigyan na God ng wisdom and guidance to be a good finance officer of Victory Imus way back then. And yung faithfulness mo to serve God with all yung fear and financial integrity. Thank you, Ate Glo, na sabi mo minsan, wala pa tayong pera pero nag-iipon ka. Salamat kasi ang dami yung faithfulness mo and even your faith in God has been imparted to us, yan sa Victory Imus family, and to the young generation. Ito na yung produkto ng mga faithfulness mo din, Ate Glo. And may God give you good health always, and happy family life. And ito, bigyan ka ni God ng mga reward and surprises. Yung mga petitions sa heart mo, God will grant it in His perfect time and blessing. Happy birthday, Ate Glo. We love you, Ate Glo. Bye-bye.
Hi and mabuhay. Para sa akin, si Tita Glo ay ang aking enabler in a very positive way. Dahil sa kanya, someone who is diligent and very committed replaced me as the church finance officer para ako ay makapag-train sa ENLI and eventually naging campus missionary and cross-cultural missionary. Salamat na marami, Tita Glo, for saying yes to that. And, of course, happy birthday. We celebrate your life. Salamat dahil sa'yo, you've made a great legacy of faithful stewardship sa Victory Imus at Victory Cavite. Hugs and love from me. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, Mamu. I miss you. Thank you for giving me food. Thank you for giving me candy burger. Thank you for taking care of me. And Mamu, get this sticky paper. The mouse can go, so the mouse will die. I love you very much, Mamu.
Happy birthday to you.